Morning, guys. Guess what? Short U and long U this week. Again, consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, consonant, E, and consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. With the consonant, vowel, consonant, we get our short U, consonant, vowel, consonant, E, vowel dash E, gives us our long U, and consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant gives us that oo sound. So it's not a or u, it's oo. And that's the most frequent CVVC pattern for the long U sound, spelled O-O. Two consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant headers today. One is that oo sound. The other one is that UI, like fruit and juice. And that pattern is quite limited. But we'll include it here with the long vowel patterns because it's also CVVC pattern. There are two oddballs. One of them might happen to be that UI we were just talking about. The other one may be a bit more challenging. No oddball header is provided, but you should be accustomed to finding the odd ones out by now and putting them aside when you sort. And as usual, make sure you are cutting, sorting, gluing quietly, and getting things put back where they need to be. I want to take a quick look at the word prune down here in the bottom left. Prune is a fruit, but it is also something you do to trees and plants. You prune them or cut them back. In case you didn't know that word, more than one definition. This word right here in the middle with the green circle is suit. Like the suit you would wear to a wedding. And I don't think any of the others should give you any challenge. Please work quietly and quickly.